Let us take up the topic from your book. You can just open your books and you can have a look and try to understand the topic, that is importance of water for living organism. So this is a topic basically from book, so I have used the page from the book. Better you also take out your book and start reading it along with me. So dear students, water is essential for every living being. It plays an important role in a large number of life processes. About 70% of our body weight is water. We have discussed that 70% of body weight is water. So water plays an important role in various processes of our body. Water plays an important role in a body in the following ways. Let us now discuss how water is an important thing for living beings. What role is played by water in our body? Water is a good solvent. We discussed this thing in previous lesson also, that water is called a universal solvent because it can dissolve so many liquids, so many things in it. It can dissolve many things in it. That is why water is known as the solvent, universal solvents. And the nutrients and salts present in our food, they get dissolved in water and our body is able to absorb them easily only with the help of water. So it is a great solvent. It helps in absorption of different nutrients by our body. So we can say that water plays an important role in the absorption of different nutrients. The food that we eat, it contains different nutrients, and water, it is the water which help in absorption of all those nutrients easily by our body, because it is a good solvent. It is a natural solvent. It can be used to dissolve so many different things in it. It can dissolve almost all the things in it. Only few things are left. Next, it dissolves the waste materials of the body which are expelled from the body as urine. So the waste material which are present in the body, it dissolves all the waste material in itself, and these waste materials, they are expelled from the body in the form of urine by all the living things. Water regulates the temperature of our body by the process of sweating. In hot summers, water evaporates from the surface of our body by taking away heat and cools our body. So this is a evaporation process. That water, it regulates our body temperature, while in hot summers it is too hot, and water from our body, it evaporates from the surface of our body by taking away heat and cools our body. It keeps our body cool. In this way, water regulates the temperature of the human body. Next one is that water helps in germination of seeds and growth of plants. So germination of seeds and growth of plant, it is not possible without water. So water is very essential for the germination of seeds and growth of plants. We have carried out one activity also in a previous lessons that explains the role of water, that we will keep some seeds in wet cotton, then they are able to grow. Next thing, it helps in preparation of food by plants through the process of photosynthesis. And whenever we give the definition of photosynthesis, we say the plants, they prepare their food in the presence of carbon dioxide and water. So water plays an important role in the process of photosynthesis by which food is being prepared by the green plants. Water dissolves the nutrients in soil that can be easily absorbed by the roots of plants. So it helps in absorption of the nutrients by the plants even. It dissolves the nutrients in the soil and they can be then easily absorbed by the roots of the plants and help in growth of the plant. Next use of water, next importance of water for the living organism is that it acts as a medium for the transport of minerals and other nutrients from one part of plant to another. That it acts as a medium for transport. Transport of what? Transport of minerals and nutrients. Whenever we provide the different fertilizers and these things to the plants, then it is water which acts as a medium for the transport of all these minerals and nutrients, and it helps in transfer of these minerals and nutrients from one part of plant to the other. So by these things we can say that water plays an important role not only in functioning of human body but in functioning of all the living beings. So water is very important for all the living organisms, for the life.